guys, welcome back to Jack and Rob. We are filming a camping vlog.
We're so excited because Jacqueline was actually able to get the weekend off of work, so we're gonna have a bunch of beach days and we're very excited. Yay! And we're gonna take you guys along, so let's get started. Yeah. Let's get going.
Okay, so we just got to our campsite. We're just about to set up our tents. Unfortunately, it is raining and we have a thunderstorm watch.
Yeah, severe thunderstorm watch, and it was supposed to be a sunny weekend. So we have two campsites, one for me and Jacqueline and one for our parents. So we're gonna set up our tents now. We gotta do it quick because it's literally raining. You probably can't tell on camera. And
it's raining.
There's thunder and lightning, so we gotta move quick. Let's go.
Because it's raining, we gotta set up real quick, guys.
Now it's my turn. Ta-da!
Okay, so as you guys saw, our campsite is finally set up. The rain's starting to settle. It's just spitting now.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell by the way we look, but we got caught in the middle of a downpour, in the middle of putting up our tents.
Love that.
But it's okay because now we got our dining tent and our two living tents and our bed set up.
So right away, we're just gonna start eating, set up some food, pull it out, and then we're gonna go explore the beach area.
So we'll take you guys with us, but we'll check in later this evening. Downpour! I'm stuck in the kitchen tent! Oh my goodness! So we weren't planning to check in until way later, but I had to show you guys that this weekend was supposed to be a sunny ass weekend. I don't think so. I'm literally sitting on top of our kitchen table because it's downpouring and the seats are getting soaked. My parents went back to their campsite, so they're fine. And Jacqueline's stuck in her little ass tent, and unfortunately, water is getting in it. Hi, Jack.
Hi.
Oh no.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. So we just roasted some marshmallows, but overall we had a really great first day. And we'll see you in the morning. Woo! Bye. Good morning, YouTube.
Good morning. Let's get this day started. So our day at the beach got cut short due to the rainy weather.
Yeah, unfortunately, but at least it cleared up and we are going to make the best of our evening. We're just driving around trying to find good picture spots, and the second we get to a good spot, it starts downpouring. But I mean, we got the shot, baby. Yeah.
Twinning. That's what they're doing.
Yep.
They're twinning.
Just finished a hot day of surfing. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
None of this audio is gonna be on it, guys.
Aw.
Maybe. Do you have anything you would like to say since you guys haven't been on it at all?
I don't know.
I don't know. We've had a cold hell of a weekend.
Yes.
Okay guys, it's the end of day 2 of camping, and unfortunately the day was rainy, but we did turn it around and ended up having a really good day.
Yeah, towards the end of the day we did a beach walk to kind of see the end of the sunset. We ran into one of my mom's old friends, so she was actually nice enough to invite us over to her cabin, so we just spent the last couple hours there. Now we're just having a bonfire before bed.
Yeah, I'm gonna roast some marshmallows and then try and have a decent sleep for day 3 tomorrow.
Woo! Good night!
Night! It's currently 1 in the morning and it's raining. This is gonna be a long night. Night, guys.
Okay, good morning. It's day 3 of our camping trip and we are just starting to pack up. It's a sunny morning. Unfortunately, it rained all night last night, so we didn't have the best sleep, but we're hoping to enjoy a bit of the sun today.
Nasty. Can you zoom in on my morning face?
Yes. Leave your campsite cleaner than when you got there. Okay, so we just finished cleaning up our campsite.
And now we are ready to leave and we're gonna go enjoy a beach day. Woo. Finally some nice weather on day 3. Hi guys, we just got back home after our 3rd day of camping. We had a really nice beach day. It was nicer weather for sure, but unfortunately the wind was so strong that I got sand in my eye. A bird shit on me. We had to hide in our shirts from the sand, but I mean, other than that, at least it wasn't raining.
So we are just home now and we're gonna be unpacking our vehicle. We had a really good time despite the rainy weather.
We're gonna close off the vlog here because you guys probably don't want to watch us unpack, but if you guys do want to watch more of us, feel free to check out some of our other videos. Check out our channel. Thanks for watching. Camera. It's a video.
Woohoo!
No.
Is it on a timer?
No, go. No.
I'm sorry, Robbie.
It's okay. I'm vlogging. Oh, darn it. Oh my gosh. This is recording, just pointing at me and Jacqueline.
Okay.
I don't want it. And I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay, bye.